guys, it is a Saturday morning and I've just been to the outlet and done a bit of shopping, and I thought, you know what, this morning the house is looking a little bit messy. We could do with like a week reset ready for next week. I think you usually do these on a Sunday, but I'm feeling motivated today, so I thought we'd just jump on it. So I'm going to start off by doing the clothes washing because we've got quite a bit down here. I need to do about 3 loads, I think. 2 normal loads and then 1 like half white load. And then the bathroom's looking a little bit dirty. We clean the bathroom as we go, so it isn't actually that bad, but I'm just noticing a little bit of dust on all the surfaces, so we're going to give that a clean. I'm going to be using my SMOL cleaning products. Awesomely, they've contacted me and said they'd like to work with me a little bit more, so what they're going to be doing is paying me for anyone who uses my code, basically, which is really cool because it helps support my channel. So if you are interested in the SMOL cleaning products, they're all eco-friendly and it is actually a really cool company, and the way they do things, I really like it. So I will be using them, of course, and I've got loads of their products, which is really cool that they sent me for free. So this is sort of sponsored, so if you are interested in eco-friendly cleaning products, follow the link in the description box, use my discount code, and then that also helps keep my channel going as well. Okay, let's jump straight into it. I'm just going to take you through my morning cleaning the house. I think we're going to put a wash on, clean the fridge out because I didn't realise, but someone spilt some apple juice at the back of the fridge, like the whole carton fell over. Picked it up this morning and it is pure mould. Like, it's really grim. So I'll probably use my all-purpose SMOL cleaning spray for that as well, which would be really cool because I haven't used that in the fridge yet, so that'd be interesting. So yeah, I'm going to do the fridge because that just needs doing. I know if I don't do it now, it just won't get done and it's actually disgusting. And then I might just check the kitchen, do a little wipe down of all the surfaces, and then come back up to the bathroom. I've put some bleach in the toilet and it's looking all good, and then I'm just going to scrub everything and give it all a little blitz to try and, I don't know, I always feel better like on a Monday morning when the whole house is clean and you can just crack on with work and not have to think about, oh my god, everything's a mess. So that is my morning today, and I'm going to take you along with me. Okay, I will see you downstairs. We're going to put a load of washing on. Okay, so I've made a list because there's actually quite a lot to do, but it shouldn't take me too long. I'm not going to faff around and take too long about doing things. I'm just going to get on with it. Sorry for the background noise, the washing machine's on. But yeah, this is what I'm going to be doing today, and sort of in order. It depends how long these things take because obviously the washers take quite a long time, so it might be that I get a lot more done in between hanging out the washing from when I put it on. So we'll just go with that as a guide, and I've obviously put wash 1 on, and I'll start to clean out the fridge, organise the freezer, and then hopefully I can hang the washing out by that point. And then I can go upstairs and do the second wash and the bathroom and that kind of thing, so and so on. But yeah, I'm just going to work my way down this list. And then that is it for the week, basically. Obviously, like I said, we do bits as we go in the week, but this is essentially the main cleaning of the week, which doesn't take too long, and then we can relax. So I don't like faffing around and spending hours every day cleaning. I think that's a waste of time and not necessary. So this is how we do it. And yeah, I'm just going to take you along with me and show you each step as I do it. that's everything we're throwing away from the fridge. So we've got some really old cheese, pancake mix that I just didn't finish, some icing from God knows how long ago, oat milk. That is the mouldy apple juice that fell over and was leaking gradually at the back and no one knew about it. We've got some really old orange juice, cranberry juice, a Jack Daniels that my brother didn't like that for some reason Dad put back in the fridge open, so I'm throwing that away. Some salsa that's quite old, and then just throwing away the packets of onions that I've now put into one packet. Oh, and a really manky old cucumber. Ugh. So yeah, pretty good. I'm really happy with the results and it's really clean. So I used the, where is it? Multi-purpose spray. Can you see it? There you go, multi-purpose spray from SMOL. I am really happy with how this cleaned the fridge. It was really fresh, but not too strong. So it smells clean, but not like overpowering, because obviously for a fridge, you don't want the food to smell like cleaning sprays or anything. So this had a very subtle clean scent, and obviously not like chemically or anything. And it did a really good job. So I'm very happy. That's the first time I've used the SMOL spray for the fridge, and I'm definitely going to continue to do that in the future. So now I'm going to throw all this stuff away, give this a good wipe down, and on the other side, going to give that a wipe down with this spray as well. And I think this is my favourite SMOL product so far. Okay, I've had a little tea break because I was really tired, and now I'm on to the bathroom. Okay, I think that's me done for the day. I did a really deep clean of the bathroom in the end, so I'm a bit knackered now. I've still got quite a few things on my list to do, but I'm just going to do them tomorrow, so I'll see you in the morning. Yeah, in the morning, and we'll just get everything else done, and then it's done for the week ahead.